Recently, I came across an article where it's saying that out of every 10 Indians, one is facing some major issues with thyroid. And consumption of wrong oil is one of the major reasons for your thyroid issues. Not only thyroid, there are a lot of issues that can be your heart blockage, that can be your diabetes, that can be even cancer. And even I was being asked several times that which oil is best for Indian cooking. So I thought, why not making a video on that? So if you see the market right now, all the vegetables oil like sunflower, corn oil, rice bran, then your soybean oil, they have flooded the market. And if I talk only that soybean oil right now, most of the processed food you will find soybean oil in that, and most of the times this oil they use to fatten the animal to feed those livestock. So of course that will also help people to gain their unhealthy weight. So it's a major concern right now. So why this vegetables oil like soybean, corn and all other oils, why they're not good for your health? The first and one and only reason is they're refined. Though that sounds very nice, refined, but in medical terms it's called spoiled oil. Refined process, it happens in 3 stages. The first one is your extraction your oil at high temperature. So at that high temperature most of the nutrients get lost. And the second process, what they do, they raise that temperature. At a higher temperature they try to neutralize that taste, and also they try to neutralize that odor. And that time this healthy fat, that polyunsaturated fat, that turns into trans fat, which is dangerous for your heart. Third step is adding preservatives. So preservatives are like TBHQ and DMPS, and using those preservatives for long term, it's not at all good for your health. Now, what are the oils which are good for cooking? The first option which will come in your mind is olive oil. But I'm really sorry to say that I won't suggest you to use olive oil. The first reason is there is a high chance that you will get some olive oil which is adulterated. There is a high chance. And if you want to go for that virgin and extra virgin, again I'm really sorry to say that those are not good for Indian cooking, because most of the Indian cuisines are cooked at high temperature, and their smoke point for the extra virgin and virgin olive oil, they're at a lower point. So it turns into toxic when you are heating them up to when you are heating them at a high temperature. So what is the solution? The first solution is cold processed coconut oil. Coconut oil is actually MCT, that is medium chain triglycerides, or you can say medium chain fatty acid, MCFA. That gets metabolized very quickly, and that is leaving very less pressure on your liver. The second thing is, very important thing is, it nourishes your thyroid glands. It heals your thyroid glands. And the third reason why I would suggest you to use coconut oil, that increases your good cholesterol, that is HDL. Now if you are scared about that smell, then I would like to say that cold processed virgin coconut oil, it doesn't smell like coconut. It's a bit nutty smell. So you can try that coconut oil and just let me know what is the feedback. And the second option is mustard oil. They did a research on mustard oil, and they did that research on rats, and they found because of uric acid it is creating some heart problems, and they banned it in US, in Canada and in all the European countries. But later on it was proved in Harvard University that the entire effect, it is different in humans, and at the same time they proved it that using mustard oil, it can create a great benefits for your heart. And also later on there was a study in All India Institute of Medical Science, and they did a research and they compared with all the oils including olive oils, and they found that the ratio of omega-3 and omega-6, that is the best in mustard oil. So that is the best option for your heart. So I have given you all the options. You can use it, you can have a healthy life. Thank you. Thank you very much.